are live from a car park in Perthshire. If you know, you know. Right, anyway, hello. We have had a wee unscheduled break there. We might fill you in at some point, but probably not. And now we are heading to find some snow. As you can see, we've not got much here.
But where are we heading?
We are heading snowboarding. Yes!
So wait, you see where we are in about 2 hours time. Look at this. Look at that, no snow, no nothing.
Well, the pictures I was seeing of there yesterday, there was piles of snow higher than probably about 7 foot.
Finally, you're getting to go snowboarding.
Yay.
Ticket is booked. The ticket is booked.
Ticket's booked, and it's one of the good ones for beginners. Know that I am a beginner snowboarder,
But it's just been a while.
but it's been that long that I feel like I'm a beginner snowboarder.
So we're going to have a wee fun day in the snow, and then when everybody goes home for that, we're going to take the dogs out and play in the snow, because Buffy loves the snow.
Yeah, so as soon as all the other snowboarders are away today, we are going to monopolise the ski slopes with the dogs.
So, we're up for a fun day today. We'll catch you later on.
Snow roads, baby! With snow! It's only to last the day though, it's to go up the night. The temperatures have to go up to about 10 degrees, so it'll all melt.
But you've got it today.
Yep, got it today.
So we've been driving for the last bit I put on. What have we been driving? Not even an hour?
40 minutes.
Look at the difference. Look at it there. Camper van there for the night. No.
Get up, get out of your bed. There's a big world out there that will do stuff in.
Check out it because we were up and out early this morning. You'd usually be that bad. There's the snow gates.
That's a we're Glen Tree then, because this is where the police stopped.
Aye, made us go. I'm like, no. We're in Aberdeenshire now. We're Lecht, Perthshire.
We're in the snowy fields of Aberdeenshire. This is the Scottish Detectorist, by the way. Go watch him. He's really good. He finds loads of amazing stuff if you're into metal detecting.
Which we've actually got.
Yep.
And we've got everything for it.
We are heading up the ski slopes once everybody's left the metal detector to get all the Chinese have dropped.
Not really.
Not bad, by the way. I thought Glen Tree would have been well busier than this. This is nothing.
We'll slow down a bit, maybe you're going to get probably lots of people doing that. Exactly. Look, not even looking.
That they can't even fucking walk in.
And not even looked once. So we could have stayed there the night.
That was a good wee one when we stayed there the last time, eh?
Cafe was horrible, but
Cafe was horrible, but
that's big points lost.
we heard all the deer running and everything. Like, so that's the beginners, that's what I done. The last time I came up, see just that fucking one hill.
Aye.
That was it. In the rain. That's the rain and all.
Not today, baby. Wow.
This is us now. This is what I class as the front between Glen Tree and the lake.
Can't believe this is just what, under an hour away from where we were just nothing. Eh? Now you're in this. Crazy.
A bed made your favorite coat, blanket the cold window, watching the falling snow. Take to the street, tear all the mirrors down, shake up the stomping ground, wait for the siren sound, call out to sea. Oh, when you wake up, you'll see it all. This time tomorrow we'll be home. Empty your suitcase, close the door. We'll run forever, forever on.
This is Braemar. Nice wee place, Braemar, isn't river's pure frozen. I've no managed to pick this up right once yet.
The A939 is closed. Check conditions before you go.
Eh?
Can it be us? It's not good, eh? They were going to tell me, they gave me a diversion, they would tell me the way.
You listen to this video. The last thing you want to hear sat nav saying.
But it's saying A939, we're not the A93.
The A939 is closed. Check conditions before you go.
It's not closed, but honestly, it gives a flash. Right, but a wee bit. Sat nav's telling us the road is closed. The road light has come up, it wasn't closed, so.
We're not on the A939,
So we'll see what happens. We'll get back to you.
the Lecht's saying it's open both directions.
Real likely it's going to be our sat nav, isn't it? So, we're having fun.
I'm still having fun, it's an adventure. I'm a wee bit disappointed I couldn't even just open the gates and drive up that snow road though. I bet the van would have been alright.
So the sat nav wasn't lying.
Sat nav wasn't lying.
So the Lecht website says it's open. The roads are open, but we seem to be going further away. Yes.
It still take me though.
No, we've been doing a mile. We're doing to 20 miles now. We went up for 17 to 20. But it's still trying to take us on to the A939 again in 4.3 miles. And I don't know why they don't have their wee flashing lights going to tell you that road was shut when we were going up there.
And this wife behind us, I think she's following us because I think she thinks we know where we're going and we really don't.
Because she was in
She
front
was
of us.
sitting in a wee passing place on her phone looking very confused as we went past her. And she turned obviously at the big... Should have filmed that? Was that on? No.
Yeah. Look at the lovely blue sky over there. See it? Blue skies. Sheep. Snow. Fun.
Shut roads.
Adventures.
Starting route to Lecht 2019.
Let's try to get us to go up the
In about 3
A939.
miles, turn left onto the A939.
Wait a minute. See, it's not telling me it's closed in
So
mine.
it might be open now.
Ah.
That's what I'm banking on. Like when you said we were going up the A939, I've always been like, right, aye, that bit is shut, but I'm just hoping the other bit isn't. Because that's the old military road. So obviously old military roads don't get dealt with as much as the normal roads, do they?
We'll run forever, forever on. Pack up the night we met, keep all the words we said, throw out the lone regret, head for the sun. Don't wait to catch our breath, what lies for us ahead, no trace of where we've been, we've just begun. Oh, when you wake up, you'll see it all. This time tomorrow we'll be home. Empty your suitcase, close the door. We'll run forever, forever
go straight as well.
There's Nikki on her way.
Snowboarding, baby.
It's pure lovely out there.
Mm-hmm.
Let's see. Lovely wee day. Lovely over there. Right, I need to get in. So good luck. Not be breaking any bones.
You don't say that before you go snowboarding.
See this little shit. Where are you? Are you in this video? Huh. You.
Everything else good to go.
Right, go. Love you. Love you. Okay. Up you go, Xander. Up. Good boy. She'll wait. Just let her back. That's what's going to happen. Stay. Buffy in. Stay. Buffy! Xander! Get up there!
Okay. Get back in the bag.
Buffy in! Stay. And she's off. Where are you going to pick it up? And she's off. Yeah.
I'm going up on the baby run first to see if I can still remember how to snowboard.
Buffy watching the snowboarders, aren't they? Actually, she's looking for her mum. So I'll try to film at the window, but these two are taking the window up.
Don't know what's going on, there must have been a bad accident. They're shouting at everybody to get down off the hill for the helicopter, so the helicopter seems to be going away. Yeah. Oh yeah. Here we go. Mummy's finding holes. Sharon's falling in holes.
Back down.
Is this a brilliant day, Buffy? Is this brilliant? Sharon's in a hole again. Like, come, you're in the bushes, that's what is going on. Van just parked there tonight. I hope it's alright there tonight. Eh, should be. And right, no, we're not doing that game.
No, but we should go down again.
Like Buffy would sledge. I'll go grab my snowboard.
Hey, go quick now, he's not here. You can't. Watch.
Hey! Buffy, stop!
Watch again. Come on, let's go.
Buffy! Oh!
Just want to play.
Scottish van life problems. We're having to sit the toilet in front of the heater to defrost the flush part of it because it's frozen solid.
Get that piece spin up.
They're pieced in the runs for tomorrow. I'm going to take the dogs out in a wee minute. So guys, we just had the chat, and a proper chat.
Come here then.
One of the guys who works here just came and chapped the door, and it's weird. Buffy, I'll just say when I'm allowed to talk again. Right, Buffy, stop.
Right, Buffy.
Right, Buffy, enough.
Aye, nice. Good girl.
Aye, so a wee guy who works here chapped the door. The Royals are here, so the police are saying they might shut the snow gates tonight. And if they do, we might get a chap to tell us that we need to move. But he said to us, like, just tell them your staff. So, fingers crossed that's going to work. But we're like, why are they shutting the snow gates for the Royals? He thinks it's something to do with them getting helicoptered out the night, eh?
Something like that.
Something like that, but they're going, the snow gates are what, about 25 miles? They like road in between the snow gates, so they're planning on shutting all of that and moving everything.
They say it could be that, or he never knows. So.
And the other one is they don't like you staying here if it goes below -5, but it's to go to -5 tonight. But that's nothing. We've been in the van in way colder temperatures than that, eh?
Yep. And that's not like 4 or 5 in the morning.
Aye. So we don't know. We've literally just gutted the van. We've literally just gutted the van so that if they do chap the door, we are ready to go. Because it's no that, it's the ducks as well. They go mental. Like that poor guy there had about 3 face washes. Yeah, so we didn't film it because obviously when the door goes, the dogs are going mental. We were trying to keep them, we had to open the window to speak to the guy, and the dogs just kept getting out the window to give him a kiss. So luckily he likes dogs. So, hi. This could be quite eventful.
We're just about to settle down and watch Lockerbie. We're kind of thinking, I think we'll just leave that because I don't think we're settling down. We're just going to both we're just going to sit here now and we're just waiting. I hear a car.
But as I said to Sharon, it was like, we could leave now. My main issue with this is having to leave here in the middle of the night in the pitch black on these snow roads. But it's already that, it's pitch black now, so if I leave now,
we're
it's
taking
no
our
different.
chances.
We will just save our staff.
The safest thing for us today is no move the night. You know what I mean? That is a completely safest thing.
Total safest thing. It's more dangerous for us to leave here than now.
They say
be
their
honest, I
toes
don't even-
off, but that's what I said as well.
Aye,
The toes off, we would
They
refuse.
come and tow you off and all that.
So if
Do
they
you know what?
come, we
So,
need to go,
see if they
basically.
start any of that, but I told me off, it'll save me driving.
So that is it. So if they do come, we are moving.
If they come, well, I don't know, try the staff thing first, see if we
Aye,
get away with
that
that.
doesn't work.
But I'm a snowboard instructor.
Right, why not?
Aye, I'm a snowboard instructor. Sharon's just up for a few days.
So we'll keep you updated.
We'll keep you updated. I really hope they don't come and chat me the door, but we're now going to wait to find out what Royal's here, because Balmoral's about 20 miles away from here. And you're like, why do you need to shut 20-mile radius for a helicopter to come in and land? We had a helicopter. We had a helicopter come here and land the day for somebody to get airlifted, and they didn't even make us move the car park then, and they parked right, just
Parked.
well high. They landed. I'll put all that in.
So anyway, I'll get back to
Anyway,
you.
yeah, we're going to go and watch telly for however long we're allowed to stay here. In fact, I'm going to actually go Facebook stalk the wee guy so that I know his name, so if the Togus Day come, I can say, oh, wee Scott does the piecing. We work with him.
Bye bye.
See you later.
We'll run forever.